Mukhang malinaw na who are the number 1 teams sa East and West this NBA season. But why are teams still fighting to be number 2? Well, in the last 24 NBA Finals, the number 2 seed nakapasok sa finals 16 times. That's 67%. The last time nga lang was in 2022. So, the longest drought in the 2000s era. Malamang sa malamang, a number 2 seed will enter the finals sooner rather than later. But here's the thing. In the 16 times na nakapasok sa NBA Finals ang number 2 seed since the 2000s, only 6 won the championship. That's just 37%. The last time was the 2019 Raptors. In the NBA history, the top seed has won the title 67% of the time. The number 2, not bad, at 21%. Pero if you're number 3 or lower, mas mababa. Number 3 is at 9%, lower is at 1%. So why do teams fight hard to be number 2? Bottom line, the higher you rank, the more chances of winning the title.